Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall the paint.net that we downloaded in the previous video. If you want to download paint.net, that's what you're looking for, please check out the other video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete it or remove it. So in the quickest way. So guys, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is come back to the search bar here, type in programs, and this program, add or remove programs, will come up. What we do is click that, and then it's going to bring up this. What we're going to do is go down the list and trying to find paint.net. It's going to be under P, most likely. So there we are. We found paint.net. What we're going to do is click on it, and then this box will appear at the bottom here. It says modify or uninstall. We want to uninstall it. What we're going to do is click on uninstall, then click uninstall. It'll be a couple of seconds before it uninstalls it. It all comes down to your internet connection and how strong it is. We're going to keep it live so you can see how it uninstalls. There you are, it's removed from the P. So paint.net's not there anymore. What we're going to do is close this down. There you are, it's been removed from the desktop here. And then let's take the start menu. It's under P. There you are, it's been removed. That's now been uninstalled from your laptop. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below of any other videos you want me to make. Please make sure you share this video with your friends and family. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks guys. Take care. Bye bye.